Are you applying to hundreds of jobs on LinkedIn, hundreds of jobs on Indeed, and receiving little to no responses? What if I told you there is a way to land your next opportunity, that next great job, without applying? Get ready to stop applying to jobs. In this video, I'm going to teach you 3 strategies that have helped thousands of professionals land a great job without applying, without wasting so much time. And this is coming from my 15 years of experience hiring and recruiting. Being a former hiring director, I know that insider knowledge that not a lot of people share, and I'm here to bring it to you. Strategy number 1 to stop applying for jobs is to become searchable. To become searchable by the hiring companies and recruiters. So they go on LinkedIn to search for you. And instead of you applying to their jobs, they will find you when you're optimizing your LinkedIn profile. So when your LinkedIn profile is optimized, you have keywords in every section. Keywords meaning in the job description, you're taking those technical terms, you're applying it to your background, your experience, you're articulating it in every section from your headline, experience, to your skills, hopefully some recommendations or referrals as well. That will help you get noticed and help you stop wasting time on applying to so many jobs. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button. I will help you land a job faster and more efficiently and tell you the best insights and strategies coming from a recruiter myself and former hiring director. As a recruiter myself, former hiring director, and helping hiring companies hire great professionals like you, and helping professionals in my job search optimization program land great jobs faster, I can tell you that LinkedIn, by the day, is becoming that #1 tool to find great professionals like you. And it's so important to make sure your profile is optimized, that someone can find you, that the hiring company that you dream of working for can actually find you, can find your skills on your profile. Because what they do is they will type in technical key terms that they're looking to hire for. They're taking it from the job description. Let's say they're requiring financial analysis experience, data manipulation experience, product management experience, go-to-market experience. They're going to type those words in and search for candidates that could align to what they are hiring for. And if other professionals have their profile optimized, they're going to show up first. If you come in and you optimize every section of your LinkedIn profile, you're going to show up first. So have keywords in every section so you can be searched for versus you going and searching for jobs. Instead, now what will happen is you're going to be sought after versus you having to chase all of these companies. You're going to have companies chase you. And something to keep in mind now, your resume is no longer enough. You need your LinkedIn profile looking great. You need it to be optimized. And these hiring companies that are searching for you, you'll be able to make that great impression through your LinkedIn profile. It's no longer about the resume. It's all about the LinkedIn profile. Quick story. Recently, I was working with a hiring company looking to recruit great finance talent. You know what their first question was? Not to show me the resume, not to share the resume, to share the LinkedIn profile of the professional. So what does that mean? LinkedIn is being relied on as #1. Resume is #2. Let's get into strategy #2. Connect with those that could be responsible for the job that you would like to apply for. Of course, there could be something very attractive. So you're going to be searchable now if you optimize your LinkedIn profile. But of course, there could be your dream job that you see posted. Now, before you apply, take a few action steps and ask or reach out, send the connection request to the hiring manager, hiring director, someone at a very high level that would know whether or not this position, this role that's posted, that's being advertised, is still open. Meaning, are they still recruiting for this role? Is this position still available? Are they still interviewing, or are they extending an offer? You will get some type of update when you reach out to those at a very high level that could be hiring, that could be your boss in this role that you would like to apply for. Instead of applying right away though, take an action step and reach out to those that work in the company that you would like to apply for to give you more confidence and to ensure you're not wasting so much time on hundreds of applications. Instead, you're going to verify whether this role still exists, because the job description is not going to tell you that they have 2 candidates in a final round in which they're about to extend an offer to one of them. They're not going to tell you that they just had a candidate accept an offer in the job description. So, to avoid wasting so much time, reach out and network. And that could even spark a conversation when you're reaching out to hiring managers on LinkedIn and the company that you're interested in. You're still building your network by sending these connection requests and validating whether this job still exists. If you're tired of getting rejected by employers and ready to land your next great opportunity faster, I've put together a free guide that walks you through the exact steps you need to take to land that job faster for you to be identified as that best candidate. Comment guide, and I will send you a direct link to grab it. Strategy number 3. Reach out to those that already know you, that are huge advocates of the great work that you have done, that have worked with you, that really trust you, that went above and beyond for you before, because that person will go above and beyond for you to help you because you've helped them in the past. And when you're reaching out to your warm network that already knows you, that person may know someone else that knows someone else that's hiring for a great job. That could be your dream job. So think through who you can reach out to, who you can reconnect with. Quick story. I recently was helping a great professional. Unfortunately, she got laid off, but she wasn't thinking through that this company that just laid her off could still have that opportunity that she really wants and loves. She loved this company. This is a top company. The company name, Microsoft. Guess what she did after she went through my job search optimization program? And after we worked very closely together, we strategized on how she can land a great opportunity faster and still stay at this great company that she was at. These are the action steps that she took. Reached out to the team that she was part of and kept in contact with them every other week and really reached out, providing value and reaching out, having lunch, having coffee, just being proactive, making sure that she stayed top of mind to them. That helped her position herself as the top candidate when they did begin to hire again, and landed her a great opportunity with her dream company, Microsoft. So, how do you stop applying to jobs on LinkedIn and Indeed? First, optimize your LinkedIn profile. Second, ensure that the job listing you're seeing is actually open. You validate it. Third, you reach out to those that know you who can advocate for you, and that will stop all of those applications. Now, if you want to be that top candidate, check out my interview questions and answers playlist, and you will land that next job.